This video guide has the purpose of helping you understand the danger of pop-ups coming from the site Bestdailyrewardscom. Bestdailyrewards.com. This is a malicious website which presents the fake human verification alert. It tries to make people click on allow, supposedly to confirm that the person is not a robot, but this is a deception and tricky and misleading information. You should not interact with this website because this is very dangerous. Because of the allow button being clicked, the browser may be hijacked and infected. People may start facing the great multitude of numerous advertisements displayed in the right bottom section of the computer screen. Some of these ads you may already see displayed. So, in case the allow button was clicked on this website, bestdailyrewards.com, you can expect even more ads to disturb your attention. So, what to do if the allow button was clicked? You should definitely implement some fixes of your browser. Otherwise, these ads will be even more multiple. To fix your browser, go to the menu of your troubled browser, go to Settings, choose Privacy and Security, click on Site Settings, find the Permissions area and click on Notifications. So pay attention to the websites allowed to send notifications. You should find this bestdailyrewards.com page and remove it from the list of the sites allowed to send notifications. And if you see any other malicious sites like that causing the troubles, be sure to remove them completely. To make sure that your computer is free of any other hidden threats, I recommend scanning it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the official page combocleaner.com, download the software, install the application, and begin researching your system. Combo Cleaner will help you to identify and delete other threats which could remain on your computer. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner Antivirus, you will need to select your preferred scan type. In fact, there are 3 scan types available. They are Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. However, Quick Scan is only available in the trial version, whether premium version gives you full system scan and custom scan option. So you need to click on Start Scan button in order to let Combo Cleaner begin the research of your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some settings of Combo Cleaner. The good feature is called anti-ransomware. It will help you to select a special folder where you may store your important data that will be properly protected against all sorts of ransomware attack. You may also select scheduled scans in the premium version and have some other beneficial features. In general, Combo Cleaner will help you to protect your system against all sorts of malware, ransomware, adware, and other attacks. So, after the scan is successfully completed, you will see the summary of threats. This will include the threats related to your browsers or some other more serious threat that may affect the system performance. Click on Remove All Threats button in order to get rid of all sorts of malware from your computer and make your Windows computer great again.